Yeah.
Is it good lighting?
Yeah.
Ready, TJ? Not yet. 1, 2. Let me do that then, since you're doing it.
TJ, put your hand down.
Ha ha ha.
What are you guys doing?
Okay, we're gonna see if we can do the bread challenge and finish it all in under 1 minute. Ready?
Oh my god. Ew. Ew. Victor.
Oh!
I'm pretty sure it's been a minute. Yeah, none of you guys did it.
It's so long it takes until we finish. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
Oh, swaggy.
Ha ha ha.